Have you had a lot of success integrating terracotta into precast panels?
We've done it a few times. Typically when there was we've done some projects where there was a blast requirement, for example. For us, so you asked where the terracotta was manufactured, which is in Germany, but our corporate headquarters are in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. We do our own design, we do our own systems, shop drawings, engineering, project management, design assist, sales out of this office. And we have projects all over the country. So we are typically thinking about systems. So open jointed rain screen, high performing systems tends to be the direction that we go. Terracotta and precast is something that we'll see in some markets, not a lot. And also it's a component typically of a blast requirement or something else.
It's interesting because I see a lot of natural stone inlay into precast,
Yeah.
especially in New York, but all the Robert Stern condominium projects, that's what you see often. And I see it as three paths: a rain screen where you're clipping on a track system, setting it to a curtain wall supplier or contractor, which I don't think most people think of, that you could do,
Right.
5x10 current wall modules and integrate that terracotta, have a lower window to wall ratio, call it, and stone, terracotta, any of those materials incorporated into the current wall, which is kind of my favorite path that I think people overlook. I think people don't think about the engineered component,
Right.
engineered side of it. They just think of the material and the look.
This idea of art and technology, because we sit at that apex, because it is this beautiful artistic material, but it's highly engineered. And so we're thinking about system performance